Welcome to Oil and Gas Insights from Oil and Gas Process Engineer. My brief introduction and the professional background is I'm chemical engineer with 15 years of experience in oil and gas as a process operation engineer. The purpose of the channel is sharing insight of oil and gas sector, different type of experiences based tutorial, industrial trend, career advice and counseling. What you people can expect from this channel: practical tips, industrial case studies or technology update. My journey in oil and gas sector as a process operation engineers. Here on this platform I will share my personal stories related to my profession for the purpose. Here on this platform, I will share my personal professional stories related to oil and gas sector. Purpose that audience may gain knowledge, challenges, and achievements in these stories. I will highlight unique type of experiences and the projects I have worked on, and the skill and the mindset required for success. A beginner's guide to oil and gas sector. Definitely, I will share a beginner's guide to oil and gas sector. Guide to oil and gas. Definitely, here I will share a guideline for the beginners. I will discuss in detail the basics of oil and gas, and I will break down it into maximum details. I will discuss key concepts like upstream, midstream, and downstream processes in oil and gas. I will provide full context for the significance of process and operations engineering. Solving common industrial problem, solving common industrial problems. Here I will on this platform I will discuss the different challenges, top line challenges oil and gas operations faces and how to solve them. Definitely I will not share only the top challenges, I will share their solution as well on the basis of my experience and expertise. We will discuss common problems like equipment failure, breakdowns, energy efficiencies, process optimization. We will share definitely actionable tips or real world examples with real world examples on this platform of oil and gas insight. Insight to specific uh, insight to specific insight to specific process or technology. Here we will discuss how specific process in oil and gas sector works with respect to process engineer perspective. Different contents will be included in this channel. I will provide a technical walkthrough of a specific process or technology with the help of visual diagram, animation, and to enhance the audience understanding. Definitely, I will share my genuine passions for industry The purpose of the channel is to share practical experience. My aim is not to extend the video more than 5 to 10 minutes. The viewers, please subscribe, like the video, and comments what you would like to learn next time. Thank you.